In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix a laptop touchpad or trackpad that's not working. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you need to do is hit Windows and S to open up search. And then from here, what you need to do is type in touchpad settings, just like so. Open up your touchpad settings and just make sure they're turned on. Now, I would have a mouse plugged in, but you can do this completely through your keyboard as well. If it's turned off, hit spacebar to enable it and then press tab to move through the options, and make sure that leave touchpad on when mouse is connected is also enabled. If it's not working, just keep hitting tab until you get to reset and then hit enter to reset your touchpad settings. From here, just hit Alt F4 to close out of your settings. And now we're going to go into device manager. So use the Windows key and then hit tab until you get search up at the very top. And you're going to want to type in device manager, hit enter to open it up. And you need to hit the Windows key and then of course the down arrows until you get to mice and other pointing devices. Go ahead and open that up. Find your touchpad in here and go ahead and hit enter on it to open up this tab. Then use tab up at the very top to go to driver, go down to update driver, just like so, hit enter, select search automatically for drivers with enter again, and update if there is any. From here, what you need to do is hit Windows and then tab all the way down to the very bottom where the power button is, hit enter and go down to restart and restart your laptop. And when you get back in, Windows is going to detect your touchpad and you'll be good to go. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.